You should do your novel, really, shouldn't you?
Yeah, I
if
suppose
you like
I should.
it.
Yeah. Just need an idea. I haven't got any ideas at the moment.
Maybe we can think of some together.
Should we think of one right now?
Okay.
We've had such a nice time tonight as well.
Thanks. I didn't know what kind of stuff you went by. I thought Greek's nice. And it's healthy as well. So I thought,
Yeah, no, it's lovely. Like, it's perfect pick.
This Saturday, a few of us are getting together, just a load of writers and things,
Yeah.
meeting up at the pub.
Okay.
Just to see how work's going, because we all train together. But I mean, if you wanted to come along, you're more than welcome if you wanted to.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah?
I want to. Yeah, I think I'm around as well, actually. That sounds good. Yeah,
Cool,
yeah.
yeah,
I'm sure that's fine.
Excellent.
Yeah. Thank
Cool.
you. Thanks for
Well,
asking.
Yeah, no worries.
kind of early, so like we can still go somewhere else.
I'd love to. Like,
Yeah.
maybe we could go to cinema or something.
Of course. What do you want to see? What kind of films do you like?
I like action films. I like horrors
Okay.
as well. So, what do you like?
Action as well. I like horrors because they're kind of really stupid. Like I love laughing.
I love it too. You know those spoof ones.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wouldn't mind sort of just not wasting money on these girly, go out on these big wild holidays. I've sort of done them before, so I'm thinking of just maybe just do a nice couple of weekends, do something a bit more civilised. But yeah, no, I'm not going to do a big holiday. What about you?
What do you want to do after that?
Anything. I mean, like we can go far. We can chill. I mean, we can come and jam. I mean, if you're still hungry after that, I can cook up something.
Yeah. No, I
Pretty
don't
good
mind
chef.
cooking. I don't mind
Oh
cooking.
no! Let me. I'm the chef. Let me.
I don't really get a lot of time for it anymore. There's other things to do. But I go out now and again, like this thing's Saturday and various other things. But like you said, there's a lot of things to do, isn't there? It's hard to fit it in.
So what type of hobbies do you like doing?
Well, I sing, so I like singing. Obviously,
amazing.
I like going to gigs, seeing other artists around and stuff
Yeah.
like that. It's really good to kind of network and whatnot. But what do you like?
No, I'm really into gigs as well and like music.
cool.
I like a lot of music.
Did you want some dessert or anything, or?
No, that's fine.
You sure?
No, it's fine with I mean, I think I've eaten enough already.
Yeah,
This has
me
been
too.
great. Thanks so
No,
much.
no worries. No, it's been good. Really good to meet you.
Yeah, I know, it's been nice.
Yeah, cool. Any plans after, or?
I think I'm quite tired. I'm probably just going to maybe go home.
Cool. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I think I am as well.
Oh, who do you like?
Well, I like Beyonce.
Serious?
I really
You know she's
like
coming in
Beyonce.
May.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, serious?
Yeah,
You wanted to
yeah.
go, yeah?
Yes.
I think I can sort something out. I know a few people. I can
Amazing.
sort something out.
That's
Yeah,
really
we can
nice
definitely
of you.
do that. Yeah.
I'd love that.
Yeah.
She's really good. Do you like her?
Of course, like who doesn't like Beyonce? Like she's the queen, isn't
amazing,
it?
right?
Yeah.
Well, look. If you wanted, we could have another coffee if you want, and chill out and talk some more. We can chat some more, and
Yeah. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. I'm not in too much of a rush. Just
yeah,
don't
cool.
want to
All right,
have a
we'll
late
have a few
night.
coffees, and then
Okay.
yeah, cool.
Okay, cool.
We should do this more often as well. I think we should catch up more.
Yeah, I mean we don't do it enough. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
we don't do it enough.
I've had a really nice time. Do you want any more drinks or anything? Should we get some more wine, do you think?
Do you want more wine?
I would like some more wine.
Get more wine.